Hi, Ma'am Galang. Kamusta po? I want you to meet my daughter, si Eliana. Say hi, baby. Hi. Apo niyo na po. Kamusta na po kayo, ma'am? Miss na miss ko na po kayo. And I heard malapit na daw po kayo mag-retire. Actually, at first, medyo nalungkot po ako kasi if there's any person na born to be a teacher, kayo po yun. And I am very, very thankful na naging teacher ko po kayo and mentor at the same time. Madami po ako natutunan sa inyo and you're very, very nice, approachable, and very humble. I still remember nung nagtuturo po ako sa MCU and magkatabi po tayo. I really learned a lot from you and kahit na master nyo na po yung chem, and you never let us feel na bago kami or anything, and kahit naman po ganon, you have all the right to do it, but hindi po. Talagang you make us feel like we're together, and for that I am very, very thankful and appreciative. And I just wish that you'll have a good life. Ma-enjoy niyo po sana yung retirement niyo. Alam ko malulungkot kayo, mamimiss niyo yung pagtuturo. But it's time to enjoy life. And thank you po talaga, ma'am. And I wish to see you again dahil namimiss ko na po kayo talaga. And your kindness. God bless po, ma'am.